Kelly Carter. My title is I am the lead analytics product and operation manager at Fivetran, which is just a fancy way of saying that I help curate and handle our internal data experience for all Fivetran employees. Fivetran is a data connector. We're very popular in the data space, and essentially, in layman's terms, it's a way to easily connect your data from disparate sources into a unified place that you can then send into any BI tool, such as Looker or Sigma are probably two of the most popular ones. Like everyone else, we're in the data world, we use some kind of coding tool. We use BigQuery, and BigQuery, those costs can run up rampantly if you're not careful with how you're spending your data and how often you're refreshing your data sources. We realized there was this problem where we had so much data that existed. There wasn't great governance. Fivetran as a company, like many, had great growth throughout the 2010s and into 2020, which meant we were evolving really quickly. And with that, the data was evolving really quickly and our dashboards were sprawling really quickly. So the need for SelectStar or a tool like SelectStar came out where it was like, we started realizing, okay, the market is shifting. We had too many dashboards to support. And also there was more data out there than we truly needed. So because of this sprawl, we needed to figure out what existed in the first place so we could begin to clean up the inadvertent mess that had been made. I would say the two biggest things that really came down to it were cost and ease of implementation, and SelectStar fit the bill for both those accounts. It's hard to argue with that speed of results. We had everything that we had wanted to get in there. We started it up in the morning, it was there by the afternoon. SelectStar was reasonably priced. We were excited to work with a company that was newer and was looking for a customer like Fivetran because we've really had been able to develop a great relationship with the team using SelectStar and to understand the popularity, to trace metrics that we were looking to deprecate. Over the last year, we have cleaned up our analytics-owned Looker dashboards, which is the primary BI tool that our stakeholders use. We have reduced the number of dashboards that analytics owns by about 30%, which is huge for both parties. It's now much easier for analytics to ensure that we can properly update and keep all the data assets relevant if there's less of them. It takes the guesswork out of it for our stakeholders. If there is only one place to look at to report on a specific metric, then you know that is the right place. So SelectStar and the lineage feature is huge in helping us know where to pick and update things so that everything runs the way it's supposed to. And so the end user doesn't even know we changed anything. The second place where it's been helpful is everyone's trying to find easy places to save money. SelectStar has helped us understand very quickly what data models are no longer used places. We know that if we deprecate something, it won't have an inadvertent impact that we were unaware of. So if someone's asking a question about certain metrics, SelectStar can help us understand quickly, where does this already live? And so it helps us ensure that anything new that we create isn't already duplicated elsewhere, isn't a metric that's already be reporting on somewhere else, isn't a question that already is being answered by a dashboard that exists. There's been a lot of flexibility from SelectStar to help build the functionality that at Fivetran we've been looking for. Every time I talk to Eric, there's always something new and exciting he gets to show me. So I'm always going to those meetings curious and excited about what I'm about to see and learn.